Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a recommendation post on your profile. So first let me show you how it looks like. So if you go to someone's page and scroll down, you will see something like this recommendation where some other person, probably a credible person, would give you a recommendation. It's more like a review, but on LinkedIn it's called recommendation. So if you want to add this section on your profile, this is how you can do it. First of all, you need to go to your account, your profile, and then click on this add profile section button, and then click on recommended, and then add recommendations. Here you need to give someone's name that you want to request a recommendations for. So let's say you are an executive and you want a recommendation from your manager or your director. So if they have a LinkedIn account, you can send the recommendation request, and then they can write the recommendation and post it, and it will be shown on your profile just like I showed you before. So let's say I want to ask Joy, who's my business partner, for a recommendation. So I'm gonna give his name and click on continue, and then here I have to give the relationship I have with him. So for you it could be your manager, your mentor, you were students together, you were senior, or he was your client, you were his client, anything that fits your situation. So let's say I'm gonna give Jadip managed me directly, so he was my manager, and I have to give the position I worked with him. So for this section you have to add your work experience on your profile. If you don't know how to do it, we have another separate video for that. So there's 3 companies that I have worked for in the past. This is actually my company, so I'm gonna click here just to select, and here you can just give a small message that, hi, would you write me a recommendation please. So then you click send, and they will receive a notification. I've already sent this, so it's not sending now. I guess you can only send it once. So when you send it, they will receive a notification that you have asked them for a recommendation, and then they will write it for you, and click done, and then it will be available on your profile just like this. So this is how you can add or request a recommendation from someone. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.